Hello, Ma'am and Sir. Have a nice day. My dearest employer, my name is Maricel Aldemeras, 29 years old, married, have one son, is 3 years old, and I live in San Francisco, Agusan del Sur, and I am high school graduate. I have 6 sisters and 3 brothers. My working experience, I worked as a babysitter of 2 kids of my first previous employer in Butuan City, Philippines. I served 4 members of the family, 1 adult, 33 years old, 1 elderly, 60 years old, and 2 children, 2 and 4 years old. I worked with them for 2 years and 2 months, from February 2016 until April 2018. I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, marketing, gardening, and taking care of the 2 kids. And I have 3 years experience taking care of 2 kids of my second previous employer in Manila, Philippines. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults, 34 and 36 years old, 2 children, 4 and 6 years old. And I do household chores too, wash car, pet care, and taking care of the 2 children, help them read the storybook. I am trustworthy, loving children, hardworking, kind, and responsible. I will assure you, Ma'am and Sir, to treat your children as my own child. To my future employer, if given a chance to choose me, I will promise to do all my best to follow your rules and instructions. And I will promise to finish my contract, and you and your family will not regret to hire me and serve you as my own family. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir, and God bless, and hope to see you soon.